Hello everyone! I bought a new car, guys, and I brought my friend with me, you know? He wants to,
He's 4 years old.
he's not 4 years old.
I'm 53.
So it's a really nice Mercedes, you know? Rosades. Get off my car. Get off my car. Right,
I'm not taking before you even drive it.
yeah, it's a 210. His is like the Pajero.
It's my Mitsubishi. It's my Mitsubishi Pajero. It's sick. Like, come look at the interior. Fully blacked out interior. 20 boot level. 2,569 million horsepower.
I guess it's not 2,000 whatever that he said. Quadrillion. Right, let's go on a drive, you know.
Yes, sir. I can't open my door.
You can't open your door. There you go, mate.
But Philly, you're lagging, man. You're lagging on this one as well. Okay. Start your cars, boys.
So I wish I could move my car, you know. Oh yeah, mine's on park.
You lead the way, Big F.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm lagging. Don't crash your car. If you crash your car again, like last time.
Like last time? What do you mean that was not my fault?
Sure, it wasn't me.
That was the fire truck's fault. I don't know where I'm going. Don't think this is the way out. There it is.
I played PLC like an absolute chicken tag. I know.
Oh, just shut up! What is happening there?
Oh my days, is that a cop car?
Be careful, there's a ramp.
Oh, I'm hitting that one, mate.
Did you actually just hit the ramp?
What?
You alright? Well,
It's
should I
like
put...
£7 billion, man. I'm so cooked.
I'm gonna park. Wait, go in front of me. I want to see. Oh my god! What is this guy doing? Ah, my legs! Right, guys.
Get in. My car's damaged enough. No! He's eating a burger.
I'm gonna go. You can deal with him.
Deal with this geezer. Come on, Billy. Use a what?
I can't see anything.
His car's on fire.
I can't see anything.
Good for you.
What do you mean good for me? I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna get back. No, I'm drifting.
Oh, police! Can we like light the way here? Where's like the street lights?
Billy, where did you go?
I'm speeding off. I'm actually not speeding, but like.
Did you
Oh! I've hit airtime. Oh, my car's okay. It's fine. I've hit a bit of airtime.
Skibbity toilet. Oh, there you are, Finley.
Yeah, I just hit a bit of airtime. Close. What's that? Oh, it's probably nothing really. Yeah.
Billy,
checked.
do you not know how to turn your lights on?
Oh no, I did turn my lights on. They're broken. No, I mean the
Use your headlights.
The headlights are gone. The guy killed him. Let's go.
My windows are... Who broke my windows?
Let's just go. Let's go. Windows aren't needed in cars.
Yeah, we don't need cars. Oh my days, you just...
We-
Your car is so damn... Wait, my bumper... My front and back bumpers are really...
Nah, it's fine.
Wait for me, man. I'm going 53. I'm going 53.
What?
Yo, what a trip that was. You should see.
Bro, I can't even see what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. So there's no point of drifting. That sounded amazing. Because we're going down that way. Because there's no other way to go. It's all your fault.
It's my fault.
Yeah.
I'm lagging. Philly, can you meet me back at the main car park?
What happened?
I think I need a new car.
Okay, I'll meet you at the main
Also,
car
my
park.
my enchanted netherite sword is coming to the bottom car. Philly, with this car, you'll repeat stuff like from like 2 minutes ago. Okay, we will make you need to shout out the big guns.
I'll wait a bit further away.
I'm bringing out my Volks, my Volkswagen transporter.
I'll wait for a bit. There's like a rally
I'm gonna
going on
put
in the
it in.
middle. There's like a rally. Do you not see it?
What?
Do you not see the rally that's happening literally in the same parking lot that you're in? Is this normal?
Try the engine.
Wait, where are you?
What? Billy, I'm in the blue transporter.
Oh, I see you.
My license plate is 44. What?
I see you. Wait, where are you?
I've gone to that like little open space,
Got it. I'm coming there.
and we could do like some races and stuff. What am I thinking?
There you are.
Let's go for a little jump.
Let's go for a little drive, you know. The car's so loud. Yours.
Well, you're riding me. You're teleporting me. Hey, well, my max is 8. It's don't feel like 8. Oh, look at that drift there. See it?
I can't see anything. My lights don't work.
Alright, we're going left. Oh, no.
Oh!
Jerry, just killed someone.
Let's do a hit and run, hit and run.
No, please. Let's go.
Oh, shoot!
Billy, how long left on the timer?
Wait, big problem. I've crashed.
No shoot, Sherlock.
Let's go, go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Let's carry on moving, carry on. I can't see nothing. Hold my...
Move.
Oh, shoot. Can't see nothing. I'm going back. I can't see nothing.
Maybe you're blind. Maybe that's why.
Nah, bro. I just can't see because of my... Something's in the way. I think he's in the
Yo,
way.
let me put some music.
I think he's in the way.
Give me this toilet.
Oh, shoot. I hit a ramp. I can't see nothing.
Billy, come back. Where did it put it?
Oh my god.
Billy, come back. Where did it?
Someone pull that G-Wagon. There's so much light happening. Oh my god. Get me out of here. Why is that door open?
Billy, I'm being serious, man. Listen to me. Come back. Come back. My engine. It's exploding, Billy. Come back. Please.
Where are you?
I'm at that. No, it didn't sound like that. Like that velocity.
I'm coming. Shoot.
I'm jumping, Billy. Save me. I'm lagging. Billy, save me, save me. Billy, it should be obvious my Volkswagen
Oh, where
sped.
Wait, guys, I'm lost. I'm lost.
No!
I just want to punch through the glass, you know.
I'm gonna punch through the glass.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to get a new car because you're not gonna save me because you're skidding.
That's not good. That's not good,
Let
yeah.
me get my new car, the Toyota Hilux.
Oh, wait, I've now got better vision. I've knocked it down a bit. Wait, guys, it's fine.
Save me.
Sorry, guys, just need to go past. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Oh my god! Oh no, my car's on fire. No. No, why is the door not opening? Open! Door! Destroyed. Not my fault. Yeah, no.
I'm a new car.
I think car's destroyed, guys. There's nothing we can really do about it. This time there's no coming back from that one.
I just got convertible, a green convertible.
There's no coming back from that one, guys. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, everyone. I hope you had fun watching this video. And yeah.